Welcome my friend. This math problem came in WBCS Main 2015 exam. We will do this math problem orally. Square root of 49 7. 29 plus 7 36. Square root of 36 6. 19 plus 6 25. Square root of 25 5. 11 plus 5 16. Square root of 16 4. 5 plus 4 equal to 9. Square root of 9 3. Answer will be 3. Probably this is the fastest calculation method of this type of math. If you like the math, please like, share and subscribe our channel.